So, I can't go through all my cool little animations like you and show off the cool animations, but I can show you my homework. Look at this. Look. Oh, and there's this one. Look at that. This is my homework. See this? My homework. And then you know what? I have to complete this packet, the green and blue yellow packet, by tonight. Haha, funny story, eh? So, kinda really sucks, right? Yeah. And I'm super cold, that's why I have a hood on and my jacket, because I'm freezing, and guess what shoes I'm wearing? Hold on, wait, I'll take them off. Oh, can you see it? Ah, my awesome, really cool rainbow ones. Thank you very much. But yeah, that's what I talk about. Peace. Okay, bye.